Hey you. You know you be talking a lot of shit, whispering in my ear, making me feel all hot and bothered and shit, making a motherfucker horny. You say you can fuck? Prove it.
Look, bitch, you done talked a whole lot of shit, but wait till you see my dick. I ain't really for the talking game. You done came in the room, start handling things. First start with brain, then I'ma beat the pussy up. Hit it from the back and beat the pussy up. Girl, while your friend doing all that running, be your ass still, long dick coming. Ride on the dick like you were dancing. You really love attention, so show 'em some love. Come up slow and just ride it. Drop down fast, put it all in. So now let me hit it from the dick inside. Baby, while I'm pulling you. When I'm pulling you, motherfucker sweating. You all on me. Finish out off of the ball. No. Think she suave. Nigga be pulling. That's the hands while I'm pulling. I got you and I'm gonna pull your hair. Shut your ass up, baby.